Hi everyone, I'm happy to see you again. Welcome back to my channel. Let's start a new lesson. The lesson of today is talking about area and perimeter. There is a big difference between area and perimeter. Area means the space inside the shape, but perimeter means the space or the distance around the shape. Let's revise the basics of the perimeter. Perimeter is the shortest distance around the shape. Do you observe the blue distance around this swimming pool? We called it perimeter. So perimeter is adding the total distance around the shape. If we have a regular polygon like this hexagon, it has 6 equal sides, each side represented by 4 centimeters. So I can plot 4 centimeters for each side. To find the perimeter of this polygon, we should add all the sides. So the equation will be repeated addition. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. So we are going to add 6 times 4 centimeters. And instead of doing this action, we called it something else. Do you remember that magic word? Instead of repeated addition? Yay! It's what? Multiplication. So instead of adding all the numbers, we just multiply. So perimeter in this case equals 4 centimeters, the length of each side, multiplied by 6, which represents the number of sides, equals 24 centimeters. And don't forget the units. In this rectangle, we have 2 equal lengths and 2 equal width. We call length and width as a dimension. Dimension means one length or one width of the figure. In this case, how to find the perimeter? Add all the sides. We have 2 width, 5 plus 5 equals 10. Add the 2 lengths, 10 plus 10 equals 20. Add all of them, 10 plus 20 equals 30 meters. And instead of doing that, 5 plus 10 plus 5 plus 10 equals 30 meters. We can use another formula. The polygon equals 2L, which we represented by 2 lengths, plus 2W, as we have 2 widths. So 2 times 10, 10 here as a length equals 20, plus 2 times 5, 5 here represent the width, equals 10. So 20 plus 10 equals 30 meters. What about the area? To find the area of any figure, you should count how many squares inside the shape. So area equals 4 square units. We represented by SQ.U. If we have inch, so the area will be represented by square inch. If we have centimeter, the area will be represented by square centimeter. The formula of area, in this case, A equals length multiplied by width. L times W, instead of counting how many squares, if we have 2 units at the length and multiplied by 2 units at the width, it will give me 4 square units. Let's see the other exercise. Area. To find the area, if any shape, just use multiplication. Length times width. Actually, we have many different shapes. We are going to take it in grade 5 and up, but in this grade, in grade 4, we are going to talk about regular shapes and easiest one, rectangle and square. We have a kind of question here, find the area. Again, area means length multiplied by width. If I have length here, 3 multiplied by width 3, 3 by 3 equals 9 centimeters. What about this blue rectangle? Length equals 4 multiplied by width 2, 4 by 2 equals 8 square meter. Let's go to the next slide. It's another kind of questions if he asked us to find the missing dimension, and we mean length and width by the dimension. Find N when perimeter equals 64 inch. I have a missing dimension here with the length. N is a variable represented the length, and W here is given, it's 11 inch. You should start writing your formula. The formula of perimeter here, 2L plus 2W. So we can see that our formula 2 multiplied by L plus 2 multiplied by W. Why, teacher, we multiplied? As we said before, I have two lengths and I have two W's. Add all of them, as perimeter means adding all the sides around the shape. 2L, L here represented by the variable n, plus 2 multiplied W, W here represented by 11. I still have to substitute the perimeter. He gave me perimeter 64, put it here, equals 2n, which is the variable I don't know, and 2 multiplied 11 equals 22. We took the fact if I have a missing part, always, if I have the missing part, I should subtract whole minus the given part. What is the whole here? It's 64. Minus the given part, which is 22, the answer will be 42. So the last conclusion, 2n equals 42. How to find the missing n or the missing variable? Divide both sides by 2 to isolate this variable. So this part will be divided by 2, this part will be divided by 2, cancel 2 with 2. We took this one in another video called the cancellation. N equals 21 inch. Don't forget the unit. Let's find another exercise, how to find the missing dimension. He gave me the area here. Area is represented by 60 square feet, and the length represented by the variable n, the width represented by 6 feet. Don't forget, you should start with the formula. The formula of area equals L times W. L in this case equals n. W in this case equals 6. So 60, which is area, I will just substitute. Substitute means I will remove A, the area, and put its value. Its value is 60 equals. Do you have L? No, I don't have its value. Just write N. Do you have W? Actually, yes, I have it 6. How to find the variable? How to isolate the variable? Divide both sides by this common number, which is 6. So 6n divided by 6 will give me n. That's what I want to isolate that variable. 60 divided by 6 equals 10. Don't forget the unit, feet. Find n when perimeter and area is still missing. But teacher, in this case, how to find n a variable and perimeter and area? Do you remember the characteristic of the square? Yes, square have 4 equal sides. So directly n will give me 22 yards. What about perimeter? Substitute with its rule. Again, n equals 22 yards from the characteristic of the square. Perimeter, the rule said for the square, it has 4 equal sides, so 4 multiplied by n. Remember, repeated addition means multiplication. So 4 by 22 equals 88 yards. What about the area? The formula of the area, length multiplied W. So 22 by 22, it will give me 484. That's it? Oh no, teacher, you still have something important missing here, which is what? The unit. How to represent area with a square unit, and our unit here is yard, so by square yard. I hope you find this video useful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to see the new videos. Thank you. Bye bye.